Well, leaving good old Dawson City after spending an entire day here resting and relaxing. It was great. I recommend it if you're in the area. Today is Tuesday, July 19th, I do believe, and we are going to do part of the Dempster Highway today and tomorrow. We're not going to do the entire thing. Decided I really don't want to go all the way up to Tuck. The main reason I was going to do it was to see the Arctic Ocean if I couldn't do Prudhoe Bay for whatever reason. But the plan is to make it all the way to Fort McPherson, which is in the Northwest Territory. And basically, from there, turn around and come back. And then start the wonderful Yuck trek back home. Cool thing is, I called Blackfoot Motorsports again in Calgary, and hopefully I can make it there by Saturday morning when they open. And they agreed to squeeze me in for another oil change, so super thumbs up to them. If you're in the area, give them some business if you can. So far they've treated me well. Well, right before we get on the Dempster Highway, I did not know this gas station existed, so it's here. It says 24 hours pay at the pump. So there's an option for you, which I didn't know about. Not that it would have changed how I've done things, but I filled up in Dawson because I didn't know this gas station was here, and I didn't see anywhere to get gas before. Oh shoot, I can't think of the name of the town right now. I'll put something up here. Oh crap, it's like Ellison or something like that. I don't know. But anyway. Yeah. Here's the mandatory picture sign. Well, I think we're going to stop here and take a little break at Two Moose Lake. I don't know about you, but I don't see two mooses. But it sure is pretty. Yeah, I think I'll sit here and have some breakfast. We've got an airstrip out here in the middle of nowhere. Interesting. Yeah, I can't see very well either. Traffic's really picked up over the last hour or so. Road's gotten fairly loose. Well, here we are, roughly 250 miles later, coming into the Eagle Plains Hotel and Service Station. I stopped and got gas and had lunch there at Eagle Plains, and it's really just that couple of buildings. I don't know about dinner, but lunch, you got to get there before 2 p.m. local time. Got the grilled chicken. It was good. Nasty bump. I have only got another 135 Ks to get to Fort McPherson. Stick as this smoke's starting to become, I'm kind of half considering just getting to the Northwest Territory up here and making a U-turn and headed back to Eagle Plains to try to get a room. I don't know. Well, this is no fun. Of course, that idiot in the car is going to try to take him head on. Unreal. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a wait. CF Abraham Francis Ferry. Not the smoothest of ramps to get here, but it was plenty manageable. Forgot to turn the camera back on. Oops. I don't know what country that tag is from. Have a nice day. Well, here it is, left turn, Clyde. Welcome to Fort McPherson. Well, changing plans again. There is no place to stay because of all the contractors. So southbound, here I come. It's 5 o'clock local time, which as soon as I get out of the Northwest Territory, will turn back into an hour sooner. So instead of being 5, it'd be 4. Yeah, there's one surefire plan, is all plans are subject to fail sooner or later. Well, here you go, about 36.5 kilometers north of Eagle Plains, which is what, about 22 miles, I think, is the touristy sign for the Arctic Circle on the Dempster Highway. I totally missed this the last time through. I'm not really going to stop, just going to get a, ooh, eyes are burning. There you go. Well, leaving the Northwest Territory, re-entering the Yukon, I get an hour back. Now entering the Yukon portion of the Trans-Canada Trail. I didn't know this is called part of that. Huh. Interesting. And the road goes back to crap. When you're coming south, this Eagle Plains is about your last gas for about 240 miles, which you'll have to do the kilometers thing, until you get back to the main road. So just keep that in mind. Well, I managed to get dinner, but there was no rooms. But I wouldn't have got to see the sun, right? That's about the first time I've seen the sun all day. Speaking of which, you know, the last time I can remember seeing the night sky was when I got up real early when I was at that log cabin in Montana. It just dawned on me, get it, dawned, I haven't seen the night in a while. But that's about to change as we start heading home. I hope I can find a decent place to throw up my tent here pretty soon, because I'm whooped. I've been on this Dempster pretty much all day. Started my day from Dawson City. I've probably logged, oh, let's just see. I've logged close to 500 miles today, and most all of it is on this. Yeah, a lot of times you can safely do 45, 55 mile an hour on it, and I have been, because between the early morning clouds and the mist and the smoke, it's killed all the sightseeing. Those damn ravens, they can go to hell. They never shut up. They probably didn't shut up till 11 or 12 last night, and they started again early this morning. But yeah, no places to stay last night, so had to make do at a rest area. Wasn't terrible. Mosquitoes are bad, but not super horrible. Have to get out some more bug spray here before I get my coffee going and get packed up. All right, today is Wednesday something or other, and it'll be the last day of the Dempster and probably the last day of the adventure, I guess. Yeah, after today, I'm going to start making my way back towards Calgary. Old bike needs another oil change, and Blackfoot Motorsports said they'd get me in on Saturday. If I don't make a mistake, I'm going to swing by the Signpost Forest on my way, and then just the boring yuck crap of making my way across Canada back into, what's the name of that state? Michigan. Sorry, haven't even had any coffee yet this morning. I've just barely been up. Alright, I gotta get moving. Isn't this fun? Road's a little slippery and you can't see. Decided to sit here and take a break real quick, and just getting back on the bike and ate a frickin' mosquito. I guess turnaround is fair play, right? Boy, talk about coughing half to death. Jeez. Yeah, here we are at the end of the Dempster Highway. Good old GoPro decided to quit paying attention to my microphone again. I can't count how many times I had issues with audio with GoPro on this trip. But if you're going to be traveling east from here like I am, the gas stations right here are your only option for quite a while. I actually started to go east, couldn't find any gas stations on the GPS. I turned around probably 5-6 miles, came back, filled up, and it's a darn good thing I did. So if you're going to be heading east, get gas. You won't regret it.